Hi, so today we're gonna be opening the Pokemon Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flames. Should I open it or should I keep it? No, we're definitely opening this, but so yeah. I'm not really good at opening those, so I'm not really good with Pokemons as well, so bear with me 1 second. How the hell do you open those? Cool. So, from what I saw online, you need to take this. So this is it. You take, I think was it 1? So this is this. Another one, the energy at the front. So we got basic energy. I haven't done this for a very long time. Ghastly. Toja Dimaru. Pommy. Charcadet. Gracilia. Hunter. Lokix. Ooh, what's this? Hunchcrow. It's good. Ooh. What is another one up behind it? Dugong. And Ambipom. So, isn't good? Seems to be good, right? Did we hit something good? I don't know, let me know. Probably should put this. This is nice as well. It's got nice and refractive. Ooh. Cool. On to the next.